Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off request desktop sites for Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the Samsung Internet icon. Then in here, you want to tap on the menu key at the bottom. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Web Page View and Scrolling. Then go to the last option and tap on Request Desktop Sites. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can see the page is now in desktop mode. And if you want to go back to mobile page mode, just go into Settings and then go into the Web Page View and Scrolling and turn off Request Desktop Sites. And then tap back here, and now you are back in mobile mode. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.